Baffa's tale begins during the era of Sikh rule, a time of political turbulence and cultural amalgamation. This period left an indelible imprint on the town's identity, shaping its traditions and lifestyle. The Sikh influence is still apparent today, a testament to the resilience of Baffa's past. As time went on, Baffa started to blossom under British rule in the late 19th century. In 1873, Baffa was declared a municipality, marking a significant milestone in its development. This period saw the birth of Baffa as an educational hub, as the British established schools and learning institutions, setting the foundation for the town's future growth. In the 20th century, Baffa began to make a name for itself with its agricultural prowess. The town became renowned for its high-quality tobacco production, setting the stage for a thriving local economy. Baffa also ventured into tea cultivation, further diversifying its agricultural portfolio and nurturing a culture of hard work and innovation. Religion plays an integral role in Baffa's identity, with a predominantly Sunni Muslim population. The town's spiritual fabric is woven with the threads of Islamic teachings, contributing to its unique cultural tapestry. As we move into the 21st century, Baffa continues to evolve, boasting a high literacy rate and a growing number of educational institutions. The town is within close proximity to Hazara University, making it a beacon of learning for the surrounding valleys. In addition to its educational and agricultural achievements, Baffa offers a plethora of sports activities and commercial centers. These elements contribute to the town's vibrant atmosphere, making it a bustling hub of activity and growth. To summarize, Baffa's history is a captivating tale of cultural diversity, educational growth, and agricultural prowess. From its origins under Sikh rule to its current status as an educational hub, Baffa has transformed into a town of great significance in the Mansehran district. Its high-quality tobacco production, tea cultivation, and Sunni Muslim population further enhance its unique identity. With its close proximity to Hazara University, Baffa continues to shine as a beacon of education for the surrounding valleys. Today, Baffa stands as a testament to the resilience of its people, the richness of its history, and the vibrancy of its culture. As the town continues to grow and evolve, it carries with it the echoes of its past, shaping its trajectory for the future.